Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie without egg. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh apples and a good quality crust. We'll explore simple substitutions to ensure your pie is just as delicious and beautiful as any traditional recipe. Get ready to bake a fantastic dessert that everyone can enjoy, even those with egg sensitivities. For a fantastic egg-free crust, the key is using very cold fat like butter or shortening, cut into small pieces. This creates a wonderfully flaky texture. Instead of an egg wash, brush your top crust with a little milk, cream, or even a plant-based milk alternative. This will give it that beautiful golden brown color and a slight sheen as it bakes. Now let's talk about the heart of your pie, the filling. Combine your sliced apples with sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a touch of lemon juice for brightness. To thicken the filling without eggs, use a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch or all-purpose flour. This ensures a perfectly set filling that isn't runny, creating a delightful texture with every bite. Bake your pie at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the initial 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for another 45 to 50 minutes, or until golden. If the crust browns too quickly, cover the edges with foil. Once baked, let your pie cool completely for at least 3 hours. This allows the filling to set perfectly for easy slicing and serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.